Now that we are in front of the computer as well, the first thing that we need to do is before we're going to actually apply, for the monetization program and the YouTube partner program, we need to first make sure that we are eligible for this entire program, because there are certain criteria YouTube recently, well, not recently, I think it's about a year or two ago. And right here, of course, it says when you're not eligible, it will say, we'll send you an email when you're eligible to apply. But if you are eligible, let's go ahead and see what that one looks like. Once you are on that page and you qualify, there is this blue apply now button, and if you click on that, it will bring you to this page where you will actually have to apply for the actual monetization program, meaning that you have to accept the YouTube partner program's terms. You need to request an AdSense account, and an AdSense account is basically where your earnings will go and how you will get paid through from AdSense to your bank account, of course. And then you have to set the monetization preferences, and then it's basically all set and up to you, for example, to also enable the ads. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Now you guys properly know how to monetize your channel, how to apply for the partner program,